Hi friends, welcome to this week's remote assembly. This week I wanted to encourage you to get outside and move your bodies. I asked our teachers what they like to do to stay active. Take a look.
I like to walk in my neighborhood every day with my dog Luca.
Hey Ellis friends, this is how I stay fit with Mocha. Mocha, ready? Get it. Get the ball. Get the ball. Get the ball. Get it. I stay active by exploring nature and taking walks with my family.
I love days like today. It's a sunny, perfect day. I like these days because I can come outside, take a break, stretch my arms, stretch my legs, walk a little bit, and breathe some fresh air.
Hi everybody! We hope that you and your family are doing well. We get tired of being cooped up inside with the social distancing, so when the weather's nice, Lily, Charlie, and I like to take a walk around our neighborhood and see all of the flowers and trees that are blooming. We hope that you're doing well. We miss you. Bye!
I like to stay active by going for walks.
Hey Ellis girls, it's Ms. Kovac. To stay fit and healthy during this time when we're all at home, I take long walks in my neighborhood, and if you look behind me in Dormont, that means contending with some pretty big hills. So let's see if I can do it, all right?
Hi friends, I'm doing some yoga at home this weekend. This is warrior pose, this is reverse warrior, and side angle pose. I do yoga at home on the weekends to get some exercise and move around. I hope you are having a great weekend also, doing some movement things and having some fun. Have a good week.
Hi, getting ready to go for my daily walk. In the background's my son.
Hello.
He likes to come with me.
Hi those girls, Miss Mon here. I've been doing a lot more yoga with these rainy days, so I wanted to show you a little bit. I hope you're doing well. I can't wait to see you soon.
Hi Ellis family, this is Mrs. Janakis. Just getting out for a bike ride, trying to encourage that every day you get outside, get some fresh air, get some exercise, and I'll see you later.
Hi Ellis girls! One of the Larson family's favorite games is pickleball. So when it's a sunny afternoon, we love to get outside and move, and we hope that you're having fun doing some active things as well. Here we go, Andrew. 1, 3, 1.
Hi everyone, it's Miss Currywurst. I like to get exercise outside by going for walks with my dog Maggie. Let's go, Maggie.
Hi girls! I've been doing lots of yoga while I've been stuck inside. It keeps me moving and it helps me to stay focused. Miss you guys. Namaste.
And then come up. Okay. All right. Sometimes when I'm waiting for class to start, or at a break, waiting for a student to call in with a question, I like to play with my daughter's balance board. It's kind of like surfing in place, and that's fun. I also like to exercise on it, so it keeps me a little bit fit too. Raw!
Hi everyone, it's Miss Lynette here. I'm outside enjoying this beautiful day.
going for a nice long walk. It's been so great to get outside. So nice out today. Hope you all are doing the same. See you soon.